Organizations have been urged to adopt HR practices to integrate Gen Z's unique perspectives and leverage their potential for innovation. Now, this is according to the Institute of Human Resource Management, Kenya, IHRM, Council Secretary and Executive Director Kuresha Abdullahi. Now, speaking during this year's HR Month 2024, that is emphasizing on accommodating Gen Z's expectations through initiatives like flexible work arrangements, personalized career paths, and a focus on diversity and inclusion.
Conversations, especially within the business environment, there is more focus providing room for Gen Zs. Like you've seen, they are on the move. And for you to be on the move, you do not limit someone with policies. As long as it's within the law, you need to learn on being proactive. And how do you do that? You have to envision, with this information available, what will happen. So what I would like to call, every organization now is looking at what is the next practice.
Work environment has three components. There's a cultural environment, there's a physical environment, and technological environment. Cultural environment for me is about allowing people to bring their true selves to the workplace. Now, when you talk of diversity, equity, and inclusion, I think that's one thing that we are now saying, irrespective of age, gender, physical endowments, etc. We should have organizations that embrace everybody, irrespective of their persuasions.
Right now, farmers and small medium enterprises in